So this is skill 11, which is applying vectors to situations involving force. So we had to determine a reasonable weight for the car and distance traveled, and we got to choose the work and theta. So I chose my work, which was A, in foot-pounds to be 80,000, and theta was 40 degrees, which is angle for the hill. So now there is a formula known as work is equal to force times displacement times cosine of theta. So I plugged in what I knew, and I'm left with two variables right now, force times theta. So you're given four variables, I put in two that I knew, now I have two left. So now the problem is determining a reasonable weight for the car and distance traveled. So what I did is that I found the average weight of a Lamborghini, because that's what I wanted my car to be, which is 3,472 pounds. And I made that my force, because they're, related, blah, blah, blah. And essentially then I put that into the formula, and I could solve for D. And I did this by, isolating D. So I multiplied cosine of 40 times 3,472. Then I divided 80,000 by this value, and I got D to be 30.08. Therefore, the displacement is 30.08 feet, otherwise known as the distance traveled. So that satisfies the problem's requirements of determining a reasonable weight for the car, and I did that by looking up the average weight, and then determining a distance traveled, and I did that because I made my force the weight. I made my weight the force. And there's my peer edit signature. Ta-da!